Europe than a good economist. He has never done that in Ghana. All he does is criticize the government. We are tired of people like that. We want to pan their country and continue to paint it in bad light, regardless of the positives which everybody else is beginning to notice about this country. So Mutsvangwa, ngavamboita basa resokazi kana vachida kunzi my economists. Otherwise, I will call them political commissars of neocolonialism. They are no longer economists. Zvanonzi izvo kuzanipe kune ma-political commissar edu ndeye-politics avo ndeyekunyeba about the economy. They should go next time when the president is going to cut a ribbon at a steel plant or at a lithium plant or at a factory left whited in Chegutu there. He should be there. When the president is giving incentives to grow blueberry production from Norway to number 4, top 12 in the global market, he should go and interview those farmers in Erie River near Chinoi who are producing blueberries, which you now find in Hong Kong, which you are now finding in supermarkets in London, you are finding in supermarkets in Dubai. He has never taken a picture of those things being delivered, or the gold which is being produced by young people, which makes all the $100 notes in Zimbabwe be new. You realize only $10 notes are old, $100 notes are new. They are not a charity from the American government, the Zimbabwe government. The American Federal Reserve Bank, I told you I'm a finance man. I EP my US dollars for free. I'm calling my $100 notes to Zimbabwe global. Most of them are under sanction. Where do we get them? We are getting them on the global market. To Dubai, to take us for gold and other markets. Don't want to call my US dollar matter. They go to Garida or chapter of America. They go peaceful. Those are the US dollars earned by young people. When I'm happy that we rescue our young people, ready to remind, those are the people who are making this economy tick. And those are a product of the reforms of President Mnangagwa first in the First Republic, but more in vigor in the Second Republic. That's why the Zimbabwe dollar is strong. It's earned money, not gift. And I wonder, there is of course I do parallel about the discrepancy between the low parallel rate and the government of the rate. But what you must not forget is that the US dollars which are being used as a measure, they are earned by Zimbabweans. I ask my gifts, the fact that it's denominated in American dollars does not change that it has been earned by Zimbabweans at work in the mines and in the tobacco fields. Atisi kupiwa ma US dollars amurikuona mueconomy. Tiri kuasenzera pam kudos to hard work in Zimbabweans for earning the US dollars which is making a stabilizing our economy. They are not a gift from America. So you may be made to believe that the main thing to worry about is the discrepancy. But maybe it's a valid reason, but more important is to take pride in saying the US dollars which are being measured with, they are being earned by Zimbabweans. They are not a gift from Uncle Sam. So from an inspiration, a visionary point of view, war veterans are capable. Sometimes it is not acknowledged. The copyright of what the war veterans have done to make this country have major achievements in the economic field is not accorded. That's why, and I give to Mugano, they are there never to start this reality. He has never written about that. He has never written to say why have we in 4 years, in 6 years from 2016, jumped from 5 tons of gold by SMEs to 30 tons by gold by SMEs. He has never wanted to research that. And that they are now contributing 66%. Yet you want to purport to be an economist. The major drivers of the stability of the currency of this country are tobacco and gold, and now lithium. No study by people who are claiming to be economists. Please, enough of charlatans.